Let's see how we can compute simple statistics for one variable. Here's a data set in Excel. We have 6 observations in it, and I've already computed sample mean, variance, sample standard deviation, population variance, and population standard deviation using various functions in Excel that you can see in the formula bar what their functions are. Using this calculator, we'll turn it on and we can go to second function data. You'll see that I have previous data from or data from previous work that I've done. So I need to go to second function and clear the work so that all the data is erased. Now I'm ready to enter my data. The first number is 5, and then I go to enter and arrow down. I can at this point arrow down again because I don't have a y variable and enter my second x, which is 12. Then I enter it to lock it in and I go forward, and again y2, or the second observation for y values, is not available, so I will arrow down. The next item is 9 for x values. I enter it. Then I go to 15. I enter it and I arrow down to skip over y4. The fifth one for x is 11. I enter. And the last one is 8. I enter and I lock it in. Now if I arrow down again, I come to x7, but I know I don't have any more x's. So at this point, I'm ready to compute my statistics. So I go to second function, stat, and it tells me that I'm in linear regression mode. I don't want that. I need to change the mode to one variable analysis. So I go to second function, enter, again, second function, enter, and I keep doing that until I get to 1v for one variable. And at this point, I'm ready to see the results. If I push the arrow down button, I'll see that I had 6 observations in my sample. That's n. Average x value or sample mean is 10, as you can see here in my Excel calculations. You'll see that n is 6, x bar is 10, standard deviation for the sample is 3.46, just as I computed here. The population standard deviation is 3.16 or 3.2 if this were a population. So the calculator reports both for you. The summation of all the x values is 60, which you can see here. It is 60. Summation of x squared values is 660. So if I were to compute the squared value for each of these and copy them, I'll get 6. Oh, I should exclude that because that was a summation and I had included it. So I get 660, which is what the calculator tells me. And I'm back to the starting mode. So that's how you can use your calculator to compute sample mean and standard deviation. Thank you.